Now in this section I'm going to insert a hyperlink to a website within an Excel spreadsheet. So if I just click here, I've got this text that says to find out more about Microsoft Excel, visit the Microsoft website. So I'll just click here. What I can do is I can just simply enter the URL of the website for Microsoft. So I'll just type that in. Look what happens when I press the enter key. That automatically converts that into a hyperlink. So if I was to click on this, assuming I'm connected to the internet obviously, that will take you to the Microsoft website. Now there are various things you can do with this. Obviously you can delete it or what have you. But if I go here and say right click, let's say I wanted to edit this in some ways, I click where it says edit hyperlink, and then maybe instead of the general Microsoft address I could put slash and then a page specific to Excel as opposed to general Microsoft Office. So I could do that. I'll just come out of that for a minute. If I wanted to remove the hyperlink, I could right click over it and just click where it says remove hyperlink. So now it's in there as text, but it's no longer clickable. If I wanted to convert that back to a hyperlink, I just click up here, go to the end of the line, press return, and now as you can see it's now a hyperlink.